In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with BMO Harris full tutorial. Start by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. From the results, go to the official BMO site and select Online Banking, sign in and bank online. A quick tip here, make sure you see the secure padlock in your browser bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. On the online banking page, head to Checking and Savings, then select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll choose the type of account you want to open. You'll see options like BMO, Smart Advantage Checking, BMO Smart Money Checking, and BMO Relationship Checking. Take a moment to review the features and fees listed on the page so you can pick the account that best matches your needs. When you're ready, click Open Now to begin the application. You'll be asked whether you'd like to bundle a Savings Builder account with your checking. Choose yes or no based on your savings goals, then click Continue. Next, enter your contact information, provide your full legal name, a valid email address, and a phone number where the bank can reach you. Add your residential address, and if applicable, include an apartment or unit number on the second address line. Complete the city, state, and zip fields. It helps to match your address to what appears on your government ID or utility bills to avoid verification delays. You'll then select your date of birth and enter your social security number or ITIN. This is used for identity verification and regulatory requirements. Choose your citizenship status and your current employment status. Be accurate and double check each field before moving on, and for security, avoid completing this on public Wi-Fi. Next, customize your debit card by selecting a card style or check the option indicating you don't want a debit card. If offered, you can also request a set of complimentary checks, which can be handy for rent or certain bill payments. Choose whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account. If it's joint, be prepared that details for the co-applicant will be required as part of the process. Review the terms and conditions carefully and check the box to agree once you're comfortable. If you have a promo code, enter it in the designated field to make sure any applicable offers are applied. Finally, click Submit Application. You should see a confirmation on the next screen and may receive follow-up instructions by email. That's it. Follow these steps, take your time to verify each detail, and you'll have your BMO Harris online banking set up smoothly.